There's one tip I have that is far and away the most effective tip ever for helping someone become a better communicator. It's also far and away the least popular tip when it comes to being a better communicator. Hi, I'm TJ Walker. If you're watching this, it means you're one of my students on Udemy, one of my many communications courses. The tip, some of you may remember from the course, is any speech, presentation, talk, interview you have to do, practice in advance, just recording yourself on your own cell phone or laptop or iPad, and then keep practicing reviewing it until you're happy with how it looks. Now, I have to confess to you, and this is an educational announcement, but the education's going to go both ways. I need you to educate me as well. I have been wildly successful with this technique when I work in person with executives, one-on-one or small groups in private trainings all over the world. They don't have a choice. I get them on camera at least a dozen times in a day, and everyone leaves wildly happy. And yet, fewer than 1 in 1,000 Udemy students will do that. On the one hand, I get that. I'm the same way. When I'm going through a Udemy course, I like to sort of sit back passively, click, watch. I don't really do the exercises. So my question to you, is there anything I can do, short of bribing you with $1,000 payoffs, to practice on video and upload it on YouTube, put the URL? Or would it be helpful, for example, if I created a Facebook page, private page, just for Udemy students to upload their videos? Or am I just wasting my whole time? Should I really look at these Udemy courses as sort of a book online that's meant to be simply educational and not a real training or transformative? I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know. I'm always trying to make these courses better. And this has been one of my big frustrations because I don't feel like I'm helping people as much as I could. So post your comments. By the way, half of you said you wanted educational announcements in video, half wanted it in text. So I'm just going to have to do both. So if you're watching this, you're getting the video, but it's also available in a text version as well. Thanks.